Yeah, we are given these two questions, calculus. We have to integrate this one. So what we do here, solution 15x squared all over what? 5x cubed minus 1 in brackets raised to power 6. This integrates. So if you are doing this, you say let u equals what? 5x raised to power 3 minus 1. Therefore, du all over dx is going to give us what? 15x squared. Now, from here, we are going to have du is equals to 15x squared dx. Therefore, our dx will give us what? Du all over 15x squared. Now, coming here, we put it back, 15x squared all over. This one becomes u raised to power 6. Our dx return to what? U all over 15x squared. So this cancels this. We're going to have 1 over u du. 1 over u raised to power 6 u. Now, when you integrate this, and this will be u raised to power minus 6 du. So this gives us u raised to power minus 6 plus 1 over minus 6 plus 1 plus constant. So our answer becomes u raised to power minus 5 over what? Minus 5 plus 6. Now, putting our u back, this one gives us 5x cubed minus 1 x raised to power minus 5 over what? Minus 5. This is as what? Okay, plus c. This is as there. Minus 1 over 5 into 1 all over 5x cubed minus 1 raised to power 5 plus c constant. This is 5. So this becomes our answer. This is our answer. So when we differentiate back, we give us back this. We differentiate that one back, so to give us this one back. So if you want to try it, you can differentiate back. Maybe you'll get this one back. So if you want to watch it, you can pause. So let me clean. Now, for us to know that differentiation is the opposite of integration, let's differentiate this one back. Let's say our y is what? Minus 1 over 5 into what? 5x cubed minus 1. This is raised to power minus 5 plus c. So our dy dx, how do we get our dy dx? You differentiate this one that is inside. That one will give us 5x. That will give us 15x squared. So 15x squared. You now multiply that by minus 1 over 5. They will multiply by this. When you now differentiate this one direct, you minus 5 times 5x cubed minus 1 raised power minus 5 minus 1. Division of c plus 0. So this one will cancel this. Cancel this one. This minus cancel this. So I will have 15x squared times this one is going to give us 5x cubed minus 1 raised to power what? Minus 6. Which is equal to what? 15x squared multiplied by 1 over what? 5x cubed minus 1 raised to power what? 6. So finally, we're going to have 15x squared over 5x cubed minus 1 raised to power 6, which is equal to this. So when we integrate by, differentiate by, we get back. So differentiation is the opposite of integration. It's so clear to us now that when we actually differentiate our result back, we got this one back, which is the same thing as this. So thank you for at least watching. Now, let's look at the second question. We want to look at this second question. Given that v equals to 4 pi r cube and a equals to 4 pi r square, find the a dv. You just think. Now, our dv the half from here. It's going to give us what? 3 times, so that's 12 pi r squared. You minus 1 there. Also, from here, dA all over the half. It's going to give us 8 pi half. So we have to find dA dV. So our dA dV is calculated as what? dA the half multiplied by 1 over dV the half. So, of course, when we reverse this one is going to give us dA the half multiplied by, okay, yeah, multiplied by 1 multiplied by dV, the half, this one, over dV. So, the half, we cancel the half. So, we have dA over dV equals to dA over dV. So, we can therefore say this one, dA the half, dA the half is this, 8 pi half multiplied by 1 over dV the half. This is our dV the half, so 1 over 2 pi r squared. Of course, pi go with pi. 2 goes here, we are going to have 4. So, we are going to have 4 over 1 r we go, we have over half. So, this is the same thing as when you have 4 into what? 1 over half. It's the same thing, but you leave your answer like this. So, it's as simple as that. If you have any question, please you can ask. You contact us. Thank you. Going forward, we can still be given some question like this. We may be given if x squared plus 2y squared plus 3xy minus xy squared equals minus 12. Find dy all over dx. We can refer to this kind of question as what? Implicity function under differentiation. Implicity function. Implicity function. So let's look at how we differentiate from this. Implicit function. Now, if you want to differentiate this one comes to 2. When you differentiate x squared, it's going to give you 2x. 2x dx. Write dx. Plus this one will be your 4y dy. This one, we differentiate x. Then we keep 3y constant. So, that will be what? 1. When you differentiate x, give you 1. Yes. So, dx. Then we keep 3y constant. Plus, you differentiate y now. It will give you 1 dy. Then you keep 3x constant. So, plus, okay, minus, when you differentiate x, you give you what? 1 dx. You keep your y square constant. Then, you differentiate your y. That's 2y dy. Then you keep x constant. Equals 0. When you differentiate minus, you give you 0. So, going forward, this one is going to give us, if you actually divide both sides by d, okay, all this one will give you 2x dx plus 4y dy. Okay, this way there should be, okay, plus a, sorry. This is 4y dy plus, don't let us forget plus a. So, this one will give you plus 3y dx plus 3x dy. This one will be now minus y squared dx. That minus, this minus will affect all two. Will affect all two. So minus y squared dx, then minus 2y dy equals 0. Now, going forward, divide both sides by dx, 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 dx. This one now by dx will give you 0. So this cancel this. All the ds will cancel out. Ds will cancel out. All the y will come together. So we pick all the y. This is 4y. 4y is carry the y plus 3x plus 3x is carry the y. Yes. This also carry the y. So minus 2y bracket it, put the y all over dx, which must be equal to all those are 0 over dx give us 0. So all this one will go to the other side. Minus 2x. Now 3y will change, plus 3y is into minus 3y. Also, minus y squared is change to plus y squared. So equals to, okay, that's all. Now from there, our dy dx at last will give us minus 2x minus 3y plus y squared. Everything over what? 4y plus 3x minus 2y. This one becomes our dy dx. So please, this is a implicit function. We still have several types of differentiation. The one that involve talking of sign. Like you differentiate sine d dx of sine x will give us cos s. But d dx of cos s will give us minus sine s. Because we know that differentiation is the opposite of integration. So if you now integrate cos s ds, it's going to give us sine s. Now, if you integrate sine s ds, it's going to give us minus cos s. So this vary like that. So we just have to know all the identities. When you know the identities, it will help your integration. So that whenever you want to manipulate or you want to substitute anything for anything, it will be easy. Like when you are talking of sine x over cos s, we give you what? Tan x cos s over tan s. We give you cot s. 1 over sine s. We give you cosec s. Cosec x. Going forward, 1 over cos s will give you sec s. Also, cos square x plus sine square x will give us 1. Therefore, we can still write cos square x as what? 1 minus sine square. As well, sine square x can give us 1 minus cos square x. So we have several like that. Take note this. We can have, maybe have to find sine 2x. Sine 2x same as sine x plus x. This one will give us sine s cos s plus cos s sine s. This will give us 2 sine s cos s, because sine s cos s and cos s sine is the same thing. They are the same thing. Sine s is like AB plus AB. BA and AB is the same thing because they are still multiplying together. So it's 2 sine s cos s. But in case of cos 2x, this one can give us cos s plus s, which is same as what? Cos s minus sine s sine s. So this is going to give you cos square x minus sine square x. Of course, if you want to get everything in form of sine, we can change this out to sine. 1 minus sine square s from this. So minus sine square s, which will make everything equal 1 minus sine square minus s minus 2 sine square x, which is correct for this. So this one can be the proof for cos 2s. If you want to change everything to cos, it's just 1 for cos square x. You change this one to what? 1 minus cos square s. So which will give us cos square x minus 1 minus plus, okay, cos square x. Cos square plus cos x give us 2 cos square x minus 1. So we can prove our cos 2x to become what? 2 cos square x minus 1. Or we want to get our answer in form of sine 1 minus sine square x. So please, you can follow us. We have several topics that we still touch. So let's quit for now. Then we'll start later. Thank you. Follow us completely on this channel. Then you join us. Thank you. Follow me completely on this channel. We'll give you the best tips. Ask questions, send us questions, comment, and let us know how it goes. Thank you.